All right, folks. Today we're going to look at the Avatto. I think that's how you pronounce it. Avatto folding keyboard. We'll start with the outside here. It's got sort of like it's not really cloth. It's more like a textured vinyl on the outside. Um, Up top, you got a USB-C port and an on-off switch, and that's pretty much it. There's no fold-out feet or anything like that, but it's made to just on your desk, and that's pretty much it. So it opens in sort of like a two-thirds, one-third scenario, but they are magnet close, so it doesn't really open. It's actually pretty nice that the closure is just enough. You open it up, and there's no big bar in between. It all just kind of goes together. Um, the main thing, I'll get to the rest of the keyboard in a second. The main thing here is this updated trackpad. A lot of the folding keyboards on Amazon, especially in Amazon in other countries, um, not in the states. I mean, it's really hard to find the updated trackpad model. This trackpad, needs the full trackpad with the little pictures on the bottom of the mouse, left and right click. This one is the updated trackpad. It's the best trackpad. I use this primarily with my ROG Ally, simply for the fact that, um, well, it has no trackpads like the Steam Deck does, and I really miss that on the Ally here. Um, by far, this is way better than the Steam Deck, in my opinion, but it doing the mouse with this really sucks. Okay, it does. So anyway, I'll show you that in a second how it works with there, but we'll just go finish taking a look at this here. Um, this is what was really important to me. Having keyboard, great. It's a keyboard. I just need to type a couple things, putting in passwords and stuff to navigate my Ally. That's basically what it's for. But it doesn't just do that. So here we have up here, they're more like modes. So you have iOS, Windows, Android, and Mac. And all the modes will work on all the devices, but they'll just work in different ways. For example, if you have it on Windows mode using the function key, he'll hold the function key and then press Windows. The F1 keys will all work, or the F keys will all work, and the escape will work. But here's the problem. I really like having a volume up and volume down. So I was like, oh, well, then I'm kind of hooped because I'm using it on a Windows device. But that's not true. All you got to do is hit FN and then iOS or Mac, and it will change what the top keys do, even on a Windows device. So if you're on a Windows device and you hit FN and Mac, then you get to press. Now they work as volume keys, and you don't have to worry about it. It's really nice. Okay, you do have to press the FN key to go volume up and volume down, but that's still way better than not having the option at all. All the keys work really good. The travel on them is actually quite good. They're not clicky like a mechanical keyboard, but they like a large mechanical keyboard. But they have really nice travel, and it's really nice to type on actually, especially for this kind of keyboard. Um, Now it has just below there the ASD keys. You can switch and be connected, not connected at the same time, but be paired with three different devices at once. So, okay, I want my Ally, my Fold, and my iPad to be connected. Well, I can just swap between, and it's very quick. I was super happy with that. Very happy. Um, Going back to the keyboard here, there's nothing really much else to say other than it's kind of weird that the main buttons down here, there's no Windows key. Like there's no everything up here. It knows you want to switch to Windows, but it doesn't say Windows in blue or whatever down here. Um, That's pretty much my only gripe. Um, and it does, I will say, it does um, hiccup, the Bluetooth connection hiccups if there's some sort of interference. So it's not going to have a super strong connection, like if you're going to the next room or anything like that. It's really made to be in front of the device, and that's pretty much it. Um, but yeah, other than that, I really like it. I haven't found anything even remotely close, especially that folds up like this and is really compact. And I love that it's USB-C. I don't even bother with things that aren't USB-C anymore. It's just not worth it. But here, I'll show you how it works with the ROG Ally here, or ROG Ally, or however the heck you guys want to pronounce that. I did do the 4 terabyte mod on this, which if you guys want, I'll show you. Just let me know in the comments there. There's lots of Reddit posts and stuff on how to do it, and it's honestly, it makes it more complicated than it needs to be. It's super easy. I'll just get a stand over here if I can work myself here. Let me see. I'll try and flip this around so you can see that better. And then, honestly, I just usually, oh, it is on. There you go. If it goes to sleep, to save battery, you just hit the space bar. Little blue light comes on, and there you go. Now you're off to the races. So it's really responsive. 3 fingers up brings up the quick access there. 2 finger tap brings up a right click. And of course, you got your physical click buttons on the bottom. But other than that, it really works for this device, and it works for the Steam Deck and everything. It just works. It's pretty much the only foldable keyboard I would suggest to even bother with, especially for stuff like this. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm just starting getting going. I got to update my camera. I buy all this tech anyway, and I just watch all these reviews, and half the stuff you can't even buy here in Canada, and then you gotta look for something else. And if you can't buy this in the States and everything, it's just finding stuff for north of north of the border there is sometimes tough. So I just thought I'd do some reviews specifically for stuff that you can get in the US, but you can definitely get in Canada. I'll leave a link to the keyboard in the description. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it helps out the channel if you use the link at no cost to you. I just need to let you guys know that. But yeah, I do recommend that. All the opinions are my own. I don't get anything for free. I have like 2 videos so far, more to come, but 2 videos so far, including this one. So I don't get anything for free. Amazon.ca is not nearly as comprehensive as .com. So I really wanted to cover stuff that you can actually get in Canada. All right, like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with more and more videos here. I'll be getting the Quest 3 tomorrow from Best Buy. I'll be doing a unboxing and review on that as well. I've had the Quest 2, the original Quest, and the Oculus. I've tried all the different standalone ones when they first came out with the base state lighthouses and stuff like that. So stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.